This guide will help you understand how to remove a device from your Deutsche Bank account. Follow these simple steps to ensure your account security. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Deutsche Bank app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Security section in your account dashboard. This is where you can manage your devices. Step 3. Locate Device Management. In the Security Settings, find the option for Device Management or Manage Devices. This section lists all devices currently linked to your account. Step 4. Select the device to remove. Review the list of devices and select the one you wish to remove. There may be an option to view details about each device for confirmation. Step 5. Confirm removal. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Once you have completed these steps, the device will be removed from your Deutsche Bank account, enhancing your account security. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.